Children, today I am going to show you how to draw a human heart. So first of all, you can make a T like this. Then you have to draw the upper vein. So when you have drawn this aorta, you have to connect it like this. Then we will draw the boundary. Children, do not draw the double margin at once, otherwise it will be difficult for you to draw the diagram. So firstly, we would draw the outer margin in a single line. Okay, after this you have to draw the pulmonary blood vessels over here. Then if you want, you can use blue and red pens to show the oxygenated and deoxygenated part. So for this I am using red pen. Connect it with this. You have to show the opening of pulmonary blood vessels over here. Then you can use blue pen to show the deoxygenated part. Children, you have to take care. You have to label everything on the left hand side, and always whenever you do the labeling of the diagram, you have to write it over here. Then we would start the labeling. So this is aorta, that is the largest artery. After that, this is the pulmonary vein. After that we have this is left auricle, or that is also written as left atrium in many books. This is the right atrium. This is the left ventricle. Here we have right ventricle. This is called as, the space between these is called as, this is septum, or this is the wall that divides the right and left part of the heart. Then this is superior vena cava. Superior vena cava. And here this is the inferior part of it. This is inferior vena cava. Okay. So this is about the labeling and structure of human heart.